Where does the amount you pay into a Chapter 13 plan come from? In part, it comes from the following analysis. The first thing we do is take a look at your gross income on a monthly basis. That includes income from all sources, be it your employment, child support, benefits, or any other money that you receive on a monthly basis. From that, we start taking out your monthly expenses. This includes items such as food, rent, your mortgage payment, taxes, insurance, school supplies, even things like gasoline or prescriptions, home repairs, even recreation. There are many monthly expenses to consider. After we take out your monthly expenses from your gross income, we are left with what is called disposable income. This is the amount of money that is theoretically left over at the end of the month. All of your disposable income is sent to a trustee. Now, this is a pre-calculated formula, and every month the payment will be the same. That a month will go to the trustee, and the trustee will shuck it out in order of priority set by the bankruptcy code. First person to get paid, of course, is the trustee. Following that, items such as any mortgage arrears, if you are behind on your mortgage payments, get taken care of. Taxes, vehicles get paid in full. And at the bottom, the least important folks would be the unsecured creditors. This includes items such as credit card debt, medical debt, unsecured loans, and any other debt that you have that doesn't fall into one of the other priorities. In some cases, 100% of all that unsecured debt is actually paid off in your 5-year Chapter 13 plan. In other cases, there's simply not enough to get all of that debt paid off. In those cases, less than 100% of the debt is paid, and much of it is then discharged. You don't have to pay it. This is very generally the case. There are exceptions to every rule, and one important rule to keep in mind here would be student loans. Those are not going to be discharged, but very seldomly paid off in full during a 5-year Chapter 13 plan. If you have other questions about this theory of how a Chapter 13 works, feel free to give me a call. I'm happy to go through it with you. This advice is not meant to be binding legal advice, but just to provide an overall idea of what a Chapter 13 looks like and the equations that we use. For more information, contact Markwell Law today at 636-486-1093.